Hello my dear students, good afternoon. Now we will discuss few more addition reactions, addition of alcohol here for carbonyl compound. See, for this C double bond O and here you have R and some hydrogen you have. When you are adding some ROH, suppose R dash OH, see here ROH means here it's a H plus and RO minus like that here. Correct? So OR minus is a nucleophile like that. So if this bond is migrating towards oxygen, certainly you are having R and C and H, and here you are having two things here like that. See, one is for oxygen. For oxygen, you are having H plus, so OH, and this one OR dash. What is R and R dash? One alkyl group, and this is different alkyl group. It can be same alkyl group. Suppose if it is methyl, this R dash can be methyl. Get it? So both can be same. This R and R dash can be same or cannot be same like that. Okay. So this is actually hemi-acetal actually. Hemi-acetal. Okay. This I was given. But acetal I think so given directly, but this is called hemiacetal. Instead of hydrogen, if you have R group, one more R group like that, that means you will get ketone like that. See here, suppose R you have and C and double bond O and R you have. Both are alkyl groups. For this, I am adding R dash OH and see what happens. Same story. Two things it will split like this: OR minus and H plus. OR minus and H plus. Certainly you have product like this: R and C and R and O, okay, OH and OR dash. This is called hemi-ketone. What is this? Hemi-ketone, this one. Understood? So this is about the addition of alcohol. Addition of water also takes place. Okay, so simply what the reaction, let's see now. Okay, addition of water to whom? To aldehyde. Okay, so simply OH, two hydroxy groups you will have at ketone. Suppose you are having like this RC and double bond O and H. For this H2O I am adding, but in presence of acid only it happens. So H plus. Got it? So this can be H or R. So as I said, if it is hydrogen, aldehyde. If it is R, instead of hydrogen, if R group is there, that is ketone. So what happens now? Very simple. This bond will migrate here. So first acid donate proton. Why we are using this understanding? Acid hydrolysis, this is called. Acid hydrolysis on aldehydes and ketones. What happens? I am telling here. So you will have like this R, C and here OH and here either H or R you have, and here OH again. Okay, so like that. So here what happens here? If it is hydrogen, simply just take hydrogen, no problem. Just aldehyde. Diol, geminal diols you have had. Okay, understanding? At the terminal carbon, because it is aldehyde only. If it is ketone like that, suppose R, C, double bond O, R like this. For this I am adding water in presence of H plus. Then what happens? Very simple. So you are having same story. This will migrate over here towards oxygen, O minus and H plus. This H plus actually water will add as nucleophile. And then finally removal of H plus happens. So here what happens? See here R, C and OH and R, and here one more OH. If you see the mechanism, see what happens. First I am taking R, C, double bond O, H. For this H plus addition, protonation first. What is this step called? Protonation. In protonation what happens? This H plus will add on this and this will migrate towards oxygen. Suddenly what happens? R and C and OH and H. here positive charge. Here, sorry, this is wrong. So what happens here? So this H plus will add on this oxygen. Okay. Now water will add actually. Water act as nucleophile. Water has lone pair, so oxygen has lone pair, that lone pair will be donated here. So this water act as here nucleophile actually. Now what happens? R this R and C and OH and here H and here OH2 plus. OH2 plus. Why oxygen donated lone pair? No? That's why oxygen has positive charge. Next what happens, can you guess? Above side I am writing. So removal of proton. H plus will remove. Certainly you are having R, C and OH and H and OH like this. So diols you are having. If instead of this hydrogen if you have R, ketone mechanism. So what happens? First protonation happened, then nucleophile addition. Who is a nucleophile? Water, and then deprotonation here. This is called deprotonation. Deprotonation. Correct? So minus H plus. So from this OH2 plus na, oxygen has 3 bonds. So one H plus was removed. So write down this by having screenshot again. Got it, sir? So this is about the addition of alcohol and addition of Mr. Water. So two things happened. So next we have to discuss addition reactions. So many reactions we discussed, like NH2 single bond NH, addition of hydrogen, and NH to X in place was written some groups like that. So all those we discussed in previous. Now condensation reactions. Condensation reactions. In condensation reactions, first one we have to discuss about aldol condensation. What is that? Aldol condensation. Very, very important. Okay. So here very simple. Condensation means addition of two molecules. Okay. Addition of two molecules or more than two molecules by removal of neutral molecules. Remember this one. By removal of neutral molecules like water, ammonia, like that. Okay. So condensation is very important. Condensation means condensing. Two molecules will condense, means add, and from those after addition some neutral molecule like water will remove. Okay. But here for this aldol condensation, most important requirement, note, alpha hydrogen must be present. What must present? Alpha hydrogen must be present for or in carbonyl compound. In carbonyl compound, what required? Alpha hydrogen. This is very, very important. If alpha hydrogen is not there, then there is no aldol condensation. Got it clearly? So what is the requirement to undergo aldol condensation? Alpha hydrogen must present in carbonyl compound, at least one enough. Okay, one alpha hydrogen if there enough, then that will undergo aldol condensation. Understanding? So what is alpha hydrogen? Functional group is what? C double bond 1. C double bond O beside carbon must have hydrogen. Suppose this, if you see CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, so CH3 C double bond OH, but in presence of base happens this one. Base like what, sir? Like KOH, like that. Okay, few people asked this question before only. How I can explain? Now I am explaining this. So aldehyde with KOH, what is the product? What is the product means? I will say now. Aldol condensation. KOH, NaOH, anything given. So acetaldehyde with base. Sir, aldol condensation, sir. Because that have alpha hydrogen, sir. So two molecules they was not given, sir. So like this given, sir, CH3CHO in presence of KOH. What is the reaction, sir? Means okay, 2 moles we have to take. Even they was not given. With base, okay, having alpha hydrogen. This is alpha carbon, and alpha carbon has 3 alpha hydrogens. Okay, so aldehyde having alpha hydrogen in presence of base. That is aldol condensation. This is the most important thing you have to remember. Only thing I'll tell you here how the reaction happens. When the aldehyde given with alpha hydrogen and base given, then that is aldol condensation. In acid medium also the reaction happens, that I will tell you later, but mostly they will give you, because in presence of base we have in our textbook. So believe me, in our NEET exams they will ask in presence of base. So aldehyde having alpha hydrogen and reaction taking place in presence of base means aldol condensation. Remember this one. Now what happens, let's see. Very simple. This is alpha carbon. From alpha carbon, hydrogen will go here to oxygen. Understanding? And this carbon, this alpha carbon and this carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde, and this alpha carbon will form new bond actually. Understanding what happens? First you write down this. So what you have to write? CH3 and CH and here O and okay. So this is OH. This hydrogen from here. This blue color hydrogen from here actually. Understanding? If you want, I will write this in a blue color, CH3. So one of the blue color hydrogen means alpha hydrogen transfer here. So remaining is CH2. Remaining is CH2 and C double bond OH. So this is CH3 C double bond OH. I written another one. What happened, understood? This CH3 CH double bond O become OH, and between this and this there is a new bond actually between this carbon and this carbon, CH and CH2 C double bond OH. Correct? So this is actually aldol condensation. Now from this actually what happens, you know, see this OH and this hydrogen, one more hydrogen will remove, then you will get and CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. So what happens here? Aldol condensation means I told you removal of neutral molecules. So OH and H was removed, so H2O was removed. This product is called aldol. This product commercial name is called aldol. Okay, but actually original name of this particular before aldol, what will form also they can give in options. If both are there in options, final product means you have to say this. Okay, this is there in option and this also there in option, and both A and B if they given, both A and B you can say. But final product if they said means this is the final product. What is the name of this one? Alpha, beta and gamma. So this beta hydroxy we called, because this will be the main functional group na? So beta carbon has hydroxy, so beta hydroxy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanol. 1, 2, 3. 3 hydroxy butanol, otherwise alpha beta hydroxy butanol. Very important. This is what aldol condensation. Understood? So for aldol condensation, what's happening? Just remember, if both are same, okay, I am telling first both are same aldehydes, what reaction happens I am telling. Think about that only. If both are different, what happens? Don't run that particular in your mind, then you will confuse. So first, if both aldehydes are same, what happens? Think. Few people what they will do, you know, if both are different, what happens? If both are different, what happens? What's the need? First, if both are same, what happens? Let's say this is aldehyde, acetaldehyde, this is also acetaldehyde. Okay, one of the alpha carbon lost hydrogen and donated to this oxygen, so OH, and remaining is CH2, that CH2 add to this carbon, that's it. Okay, so now if you have some mechanism, how it will be, okay, for this aldol condensation, I'll give you mechanism now. Okay, so what happens, let's see. Mech means what? Mechanism. So first CH3, C double bond H. So we are using base now, OH minus. What is the use of base? This is actually base what we are using. Actually base abstract proton. Base abstract alpha hydrogen. Base has a tendency to accept a proton. Do you know that? Bronsted acid base here. So this is alpha hydrogen. This is alpha carbon and this hydrogen are alpha hydrogen. So what happens? Now this will be CH2 and C double bond OH and this carbon has minus. Excuse me. This carbon has minus, so it's a CH2 minus and C double bond OH plus H2. Got it clearly? From this alpha carbon, proton abstracted from this. Sorry, this OH minus taken proton from this alpha carbon. Understanding? So OH minus and H plus from here. So this you can write like this, CH2 and H. So one of the hydrogen taken by this OH minus. So OH minus and H plus gone. So remaining is CH2 minus. So now what happens? So this CH3 C double bond OH, 2 moles I said no for aldol condensation. So now CH2 minus and C double bond OH. What happens? Now this particular substance which lost alpha hydrogen, this particular species which lost alpha hydrogen, here I written. One more aldehyde I written here. Understood? Now what happens? This negative charge will come over here and this pi bond migrate towards oxygen. If this pi bond migrate towards oxygen, carbon gets positive charge, no? Yes. Carbon gets positive charge, O gets minus charge. So CH2 minus will come over here. Understanding what I said in previous? That H plus will come over here, I told or not? Yes. So this CH2 minus will add on this carbon and carbon. So pi bond migrated, oxygen gets negative charge. So what happens now? CH3 and CH and this will be O minus and here CH2 C double bond OH. What I did understood? This part I written here. Added on this star carbon. Why this carbon become positive? Pi bond migrated. So now what happens? The water removal happen, no? This water donate proton to this. Now what happens? CH3 and CH, this will be OH and CH2 and C double bond OH. Okay, so plus OH minus. Here water removal, no? That water only donate proton to this. Simultaneously happen. So this will be the product what I said. Alpha, this is alpha and this is beta. Beta hydroxy butanol. Beta hydroxy butanol. So this is about aldol condensation mechanism. Okay. So write down. These are very important for us. So you must have a screenshot for this mechanism. So this is about aldol condensation. Not completed. Many reactions we have in aldol condensation. So we will discuss one by one actually. Okay. So you just tell me what is the aldol condensation product when you take any stone. So CH3 C double bond O CH3. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Like this they won't give an exam. Simply they will say acetone with base, what happens they will ask. So simply they will give OH minus or else simply they will give KOH or NaOH like that. So what happens? Very simple. As I said, one of the aldehyde or ketone, you have to take alpha hydrogen. You have to select alpha carbon. So why sir this I want to take this means, but convenience, no, this carbon writing here is easy now, that's why I am writing. So this is alpha carbon I am selecting. So from this alpha carbon hydrogen will remove, that hydrogen will go there and this CH2 minus will add on this, that's it. Okay. If you want the same thing, this methyl group what is there, not completely, that only methyl group I will write with blue color. So this is alpha. Okay, so somewhat more clearly means I will write CH2 and H. So what happens, I told you in previous, just without mechanism. You have to select alpha carbon and alpha hydrogen. Alpha carbon must have alpha hydrogen. So what I said now, this hydrogen on oxygen and this carbon will be on this carbonyl carbon. That's it. Now you write down the product. So what happens in CH3 and C, it will be OH. This will be. Okay. From which you are not removing proton. From this ketone, you are not removing proton, no. That carbonyl group will become OH. So as it is, this methyl I am writing down. So CH3, C, OH, and this methyl I write here. Understanding? Now this blue color CH2. Okay, from which you are removing, from which aldehyde or ketone you are removing proton, that retains its carbonyl group. Remember that one. Okay, so CH2 and C double bond O, CH3. What happens, understood? So this part actually, this CH2, C double bond O, CH3. CH3, COH, CH3. I repeat. From this ketone, I was not removed alpha hydrogen, so C double bond O becomes COH. From this ketone, I removed alpha hydrogen, so it retains its C double bond O. So CH2, C double bond O, CH3. So this is about aldol condensation. Okay. Now I will give you one reaction to you. You tell me in our WhatsApp group. And this is C double bond OH and CH3 C double bond OH. This is actually called crossed aldol. So I was given base. You tell me what is the product. Very simple. Me only will say. Here actually there is no alpha hydrogen, but not required. One of the aldehyde if have alpha hydrogen, enough actually. So what happens here? This is alpha. This is carbonyl group and this is carbonyl group. Very next carbon is called alpha. Alpha carbon has 3 hydrogens. So very simple. As I said, from this alpha carbon, hydrogen will move to this oxygen and this CH2 will add on this carbonyl carbon. That's it. So what is the product? Can you guess now? Understood what I said? So this is actually CH. Now this CH3 I am writing like this. Okay, CH3. What happened? One of the hydrogen will go there and the CH2 will add this. Because from here you cannot remove alpha hydrogen. Where is alpha carbon? This is alpha carbon actually. This is carbonyl and this is alpha carbon. But there is no hydrogen because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there already. Understood? Here there is no alpha hydrogen actually. Now what happens? So this happens. C6H5. So from which you was not removed alpha hydrogen become CHOH. CHOH hydrogen from here. Now the remaining is this. So this will be CH2, C double bond H. From this, if you want, you can remove water. So OH from here, H from here. Then you will get C6H5, CH double bond CH, C double bond O H. Here you have a group, but here I write just for convenience. Okay. So CH double bond CH, C double bond OH. So you have to write product. If it is same, write down. First you have screenshot. Take a screenshot first. Okay. Now here if I take a stone, what is the product? Very simple. Same story. Everywhere wherever you have hydrogen, there you have right methyl. That's it. Okay. So you tell me the product. Okay, by practicing. So here you have actually hydrogen. If instead of hydrogen, if you have methyl, what is the product? Tell me. Okay. So crossed aldol we call this. About crossed aldol, I will tell you few more reactions in our next class. Actually I am not feeling good, but we have to continue the classes, so that's why I was taken. So you also focus more. Thank you very much.